Okay, probably my most requested video ever, head wrap tutorial. I have a sneaking suspicion you're gonna want to kick me in the throat once you see what it is that I do, because it's not revolutionary. So usually if I am wearing a head wrap, it's because my hair is a mess and I don't want to dry it out anymore by washing it again. Because I have a lot of hair, I will always just put it into a tight top knot bun. Just wrap it, but don't worry, obviously you can do this even without this, because even sometimes I have to add to this little bun. So I always just do the wrap around this bun, depending on the wrap that I'm using, depending on how much material it has. I will either just use this as the center of my wrap, or if the scarf is a thinner material or there's just not as much to it, then I will actually add some fabric around this, and I will show you what I do. So for a scarf that does not have as much material to it, I don't want the middle of the bun to be looking really thin, so I will just take a tank top. So I take it like this, and I literally just wrap the little spaghetti straps around, and I tuck it. Just gives my bun a little bit more body, like I said, for when I'm using a wrap that does not have as much body to it. So this wrap is a lot more thin. A lot of people ask, what kind of wraps do you use? I have ordered beautiful wraps from the Wrap Life. I just prefer to be able to pick the colors I like, and I like the way that these fold, and so these are literally just like neck scarves from Target. Most of them I think are all from Target or like Amazon. So it's not about not liking the wraps that are out there, it's just that these have worked for me. So these are just neck scarves. Okay, so this one I start with it in a triangle position, or triangle shape, and I'm going to center it. And then I pull it really tight, cross it over, and then I go like that. I wrap it around, tuck. Then this one I want it to be a little more loose, to cover a bit more. This part I like to pull it up like that, and just tuck it into it. See guys, I told you. I don't do anything special. I'm probably breaking a lot of rules. This one I just ordered, I wanted a mustard color, so I ordered it off of Amazon. The type of material, let me see if it has any tag to tell me what kind of fabric it is. I don't know. I don't know fabrics. I'm not like a good homey woman that knows fabrics or recipes. So this one I do not do in the triangle shape. I basically just do it in the shape that will give me the most length from end to end. So this one is a longer one. I also do not need a center addition for this one. Okay, let's do it. told you guys, I really don't do anything special, and that's it. That's how I do it. Like, so basically, the key part is like, yeah, I could have done it like that this time. That's another way. It's different. I don't hate that. It stays in place. It stays in place. It stays in place. Okay? Stays in place. It stays in place. It stays in place.